Hello everyone, I'm Matt Brocklebank, author of the Living a Blissful Life blog at HealthyPlace, and today I will give you a few ideas for creating a peaceful and blissful living space in your home where you can unwind, relax and recharge every day. So the first step in creating a blissful home is throwing out or recycling anything that you don't really want or need. Having a good clear out is always a great way to bring calm into your home. Also, try to get into the habit of throwing away anything that you don't want before buying something new. This will help to keep clutter to a minimum in the future. Next is to use soft, soothing colors and decor. Light, neutral tones help create a relaxed atmosphere. And having a comfortable seating area, such as a comfy sofa or a big beanbag, will help you to relax after a long day. Adding some throw blankets or cushions not only looks really nice, but it also adds extra comfort. Next is to make use of natural elements, such as natural light. Let in as much natural light as possible during the day. Decorate with plants, pieces of natural wood furniture. Aromatherapy is another great way to promote a calm and relaxing atmosphere. And finally is to have a designated space in your home where you can unwind and recharge undisturbed. So you can decorate it any way you want, as long as it makes you calm and happy. Again, use soft colors and use soft lighting if it's somewhere that you're going to go in the evening, and this will help to create a restful atmosphere before going to bed. So to wrap up, a blissful home should be somewhere you can relax and revitalize in your own way, so design a space that works for you. I hope you find these ideas helpful in creating a comfortable living area where you can find your own piece of daily bliss. Thank you.